There we have our aloe vera leave-in conditioner. I'm going to show you how I use this to moisturize my hair. First, I section out my hair so I can work in small portions, and then I mist the aloe vera juice on my hair. The aloe vera gel smells a little bit funny, so if you don't like the smell, you can mix it with an essential oil. I'm okay. I then seal the moisture in with carrot and avocado oil. You can use any oil of your choice. Just use it to coat the aloe vera juice so it will stick on the cuticles. There are two ways of moisturizing your hair. We have the LOC method, that is liquid, oil and cream, or the LCO method, that is liquid and cream and oil. I am using the LOC method. I wet my hair with aloe vera juice, and then I use carrot and avocado oil to seal in the moisture, and then I'll apply my hair cream later to double seal everything together. So this is my hair cream made up of coconut oil and shea butter. You can use any preferred cream of your choice. The hair cream helps to double seal the oil and the aloe vera juice all into the hair to keep your hair moisturized the whole day. After everything, I twist my hair and allow it to air dry, and then I'm good to go. I can unravel the twist and then go out like that, or maybe wear a wig cap or something. Repeat this 2 or 3 times a week, or maybe you can do it daily if your hair is always dry. The hair tends to break or shed when it's dry, so moisturizing your hair is very important. This is our leave-in conditioner routine. See you guys soon. Bye.